So I want to offer one-on-one time for you to really come into your body. I am an embodiment guide. That is my medicine and my purpose. And I want you to feel so fully alive in yourself. And there is no better place to do it. Hello, everyone. My name is Pamela, and I'm honored to be part of the retreat leaders team at Anamaya Resort in the beautiful Montezuma, Costa Rica. I'm so excited to welcome you to the Freedom Embodied retreat this February. This is a sacred space for you to awaken your wild heart, come alive in the jungle, surrounded by, fully immersed in nature. And the team at Anamaya does an incredible job of taking care of everything that you could want and need, so that you can fully dive into your transformational experience. We are providing beautiful, nourishing meals so that you feel healthy and clear in your mind, your heart, and your body. There are lots of adventures for you to try out, such as visiting waterfalls, or surfing, or experiencing the bioluminescence, ziplining, lots of fun things right on site, which is lovely. We will practice yoga daily, both in the morning and the afternoon, early evening. Our morning practice to invigorate and feel really alive in our bodies, as well as understanding how the philosophies and teachings of yoga can really benefit us in our day-to-day life. Our afternoon practice is very nourishing, helping us find that peace that lives within us, restorative practices that help us recalibrate to our natural rhythm, which is one of fluidity and of peace. We also have a series of 3 workshops. One is our somatic practice for soul expression. And this is a coming into the body to help to stir up the soul. So it'll be a blend of different types of movements, somatic healing techniques, dance, things that will really stir up and awaken what really matters to you and help you understand how deeply your body, your mind, your heart, and your soul are connected, and how you can tap into the wisdom of your body a little bit more than you might usually in your day-to-day. We will also be learning about stones and crystals and elements through creation. We'll be making something to take with us, infuse the essence of the retreat. I think it's so important to have a totem that reminds you of how far you've come and the journey that you've taken. So we'll be creating that with all natural stones and crystals, some right from the land. We will also be experiencing a cacao ceremony, the powerful, beautiful medicine of cacao that opens, stirs, and awakens the heart. And this cacao that we will be experiencing is indigenous to Costa Rica, so produced here by Indigenous people, something very powerful and very sacred for you to experience. A lot of my healing work includes work with horses, and we will be offering the opportunity to visit a healing herd of 17 horses with horse spirit healing, very close to Anamaya in Costa Rica. You'll get to meet some magical jungle horses, if you like, and really see how that helps you unfold and move through anything and become more embodied. Horses are very powerful and magical. We'll also be offering private embodiment sessions. That could look like a little bit more of a challenging yoga practice. It could look like experiencing a little bit more of guidance with movement. My background is in neuromuscular exercise and rehabilitation, so I want to offer one-on-one time for you to really come into your body. I am an embodiment guide. That is my medicine and my purpose, and I want you to feel so fully alive in yourself, and there is no better place to do it than at Anamaya. I am so looking forward to seeing you all this winter, and I think that's it. I think that's everything I have. I'll see you in the winter. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.